Hello YouTube, this is Ismail Abiso Laboratory. Now we have several test instruments on our HSO R&D. We're gonna test that. This is a laptop oscilloscope, and that's the standalone oscilloscope made by Aten, and then it's made Alexan brand. So but here first we're gonna do is to test my HSO reactor, the two that will supply with 24 volts, and this is our water displacement. That's the timer. We'll measure it in seconds, how many seconds to make this bottle, a 1 liter bottle, go up, and without this my ambient extractor, and these two is the main parts of my ambient extraction. So this is conventional powering this using by these two battery, 12 volts, and then this is the ampere meter. Look, the ampere meter, it's not a very good, but here it is 50 ampere, that is 200, so each of one of that, it's 10, it's about 50. Okay, power it up now. Check. First we will check how many seconds to bring this 1 liter to go up. May laman nata. Okay, go. Hindi mo ba ibababa yan? Okay. Okay now go. Nakita mo dito nagsimula, di ba? Start here. This is conventional. So that's 24 volts. You start what? Here, and ampere, just what? 5. Oh, very dark. 5 only. Less than one, half of the one, or almost less than 5. Anyway, it's 5. It's a 5. Okay. Now it's going to the top. 55. Up, 55. 55. No, oh yeah, no 50, because here they stop here. So okay, something like 50. Because they start here and we start here and then we stop here. So it's just 50. Again, so we'll do it again. Second time. Sabi mo kung go Go. Go. Okay. So nasaan dito? We start here. Here. 5. 5 And the ampere? Still less than 10, half of, look, actually less than 5 Anyway, we say it 5. It's 24.6 into that without going up now. Look, there's nothing here, nothing there. Going up.
Stop na po.
Oh, stop. How many seconds?
50.
50 seconds. So second test it'll become 50. So our record now, go here. 24.6 volts, and then the ampere is something like 4 to 5 ampere, and average is 50 seconds. So what we're gonna do first, times this 24 times, the answer will be watts here, but not hour. What we're gonna do, the 50 seconds must be like this. 3,600 equivalent seconds divided by 50 seconds to get the how many division of this. So we'll calculate. Calculator. Calculate mo. Okay. Sige, kunin mo. We'll find calculator here. Wala ka bang calculator? So what will happen? Okay, 24.6. Ano? So here, so what will happen? The answer here will become, this is the second, how many watts? Will be watts divided by second. Wala pa? Calculator ba yan? Namputya. So you know what will happen. So let you check, but this is the answer. It will become watts hour. So 24.6 times 4.5. We choose the 4.5 ampere. 24.6 0.6, yes, times 4.5. $110. Here will become 110.7 watts. So we'll put it here. Divided by 3,600 divided by 50. $600 divided by 72. Here will become 72. So I will put here 72. 110.7 divided by 72 equals 72. 1.3, 1.5, 53. That's 1.553 watt hour. That's the answer. So it means just this SSO reactor, based from our improvement from the water quality and the arrangement of the plate, etc., combined, go down to 1.53 only. Before we start to improve it at 3.5 and then down to 2.5, down to 2.3. Now it's 1.5 only. Look, the development of our technology down to 1.5. But still, my target using conventional go down to 1 only. But we don't have time now, and but we still our R&D is not stopping. Look, I'm talking here, no, not using, I mean my ambient extractor. So this one will go down more than 1.5 for sure. Okay, that's all. And then while we are preparing our next demo, that powering up using these two ambient and using this possible one or two, or test instrument, or maybe we'll try to make it three if my memory stick can last long in the battery. Thank you.